In a world of digital connectivity, one single unhappy customer can damage your brand overnight in a single tweet. Managing customer expectations as early on in the home buying process as possible will help to build rapport and set the tone for your ongoing relationship. clixifix recommends starting conversations surrounding defects and repairs as early on in the process as possible, even upon reservation. This is guaranteed to save your customer care teams a lot of time in the future. Be sure to run through what constitutes as a defect, but more importantly, what doesn't. It's also extremely important to highlight what items the homeowners are responsible for themselves. From personal experience of buying a new home, I reported what I thought was a defect, which was a leak to the guttering. Upon inspection, it was clear that it was in actual fact a blockage, and it was my responsibility to have this resolved. The misreporting of this defect could have been avoided had I known about this from the offset. Something we also recommend is being open and honest about the defect timescales. Signposting these early to your customers will help prevent any uncomfortable conversations that may need to be had in the future. If you're unsure what timescales to associate to your reported defects, leave me a comment here and I'll happily share with you our defect response guide to help you get going and start managing those customer expectations today.